Welcome to another exciting journey where math meets coding, a wonderland for young inquisitive minds. Ever wondered how coding and mathematics intertwine? Just like baking a cake, ingredients alone aren't enough, we need a recipe. Similarly, math is the recipe for coding. Coding and math exist in harmony. Coding helps visualize mathematical concepts, making them attractive for kids. Math, on the other hand, is the logic behind every coding solution. Through coding, we unlock the power of mathematics. It's like using a secret key to open a treasure chest full of jewels. Our mission today is to unveil how these two fields dance together in unison, creating a rhythm that develops problem-solving skills and logical thinking in children. From algorithms to functions, from loops to variables, every piece of the coding puzzle has a math friend. Together, they create a symphony of understanding. Join us, iRobokid, as we dive into this fascinating world where coding and math become fun. A world where your imagination is the only limit.